My Company Documents tab. This tab is found on the My Company page. It's a record of all the documents associated with your account. These may include copies of contracts, terms and conditions, price lists, or any other document you deem necessary. Several formats are supported, including PDF, Excel, JPEG, and more. Use the arrows to scroll through the pages. To create a folder structure, click on the New Folder icon. Name the folder and click on OK. The folder structure will then appear on the left-hand side. To delete a folder or a single file, click on the desired item and then click the red X. You will be asked to confirm your request by clicking OK. You can upload a file by clicking on the Upload button. You can then select your file from your computer and click Upload. Should you wish to upload a newer version of a document, simply check the Overwrite box to replace the older version. To download a single file, just double-click on the file name. To download all files, click Download All.